For question C, this says, what is meant by the term unemployment? Unemployment is a situation whereby those that are willing and able to work and are in this age limit to work couldn't get unemployment. Willing and able to work within the age limit to work but couldn't seek or couldn't find employment. That is unemployment. Is it clear? So go to question E. D, sorry. What is meant by the term trade-off? When we talk about trade-off, we're talking about a choice between two given objectives that to increase one, you have to reduce the other. So to achieve one, you have to give up the other. That is what trade-off is. It's not the same as opportunity cost. Opportunity cost is the next choice, is the cost of the next alternative forgone. So you have choice A and B. You are choosing one. That is opportunity cost. The choice you didn't make is the opportunity cost. But for trade-off, you need to achieve something. And for you to achieve that, you have to sacrifice the other. So that's the difference between trade-off and opportunity cost. You have to, for you to achieve one, you have to sacrifice the other. That is trade-off. But for opportunity cost, it means you are choosing one. Because you have the cost of not choosing the other, that is opportunity cost. Yeah. Is it clear? Yeah. So go to E now, right? Yeah. Calculate the rate of unemployment. The rate of unemployment is measured as number of unemployed divided by the labor force multiplied by 100. That's according to International Labour Organization. So we have 8 million divided by 72 million multiplied by 100, which is 11.11%. Clear? We'll move on to the next one. So using the equilibrium, we have the table. It said, draw an introduction of tariff. Introducing tariff means the cost of importation would increase. As a result, the quantity supplied of imported goods would reduce. Reducing the quantity and shifting the supply curve leftward and bringing about a movement along the demand curve, increasing the price. So we're going to have a high equilibrium price, a leftward shift in the quantity supply curve. So we have QE to Q1, S to S1, PE to P1. Is it clear? We go on to question G, which talks about quality of domestic goods. They said, explain one reason why the quality of domestic goods might have resulted in this increase in the current account deficit. Current account deficit occurs when the import exceeds export. That is current account deficit. So quality is one of the reasons why we could have it. What is quality itself? Quality means meeting customers' expectation. That is quality. So if the domestic product lacks quality compared to foreign products, domestic consumers will be willing to buy more of imported goods because the domestic made ones lack quality. So as a result, the demand for imported goods will increase, bringing about an increase, bringing about a current account deficit. Is it clear? Yes. Is it clear, please? Yes. So we go to H. It said, analyze why the Indian government might have given subsidies to its sugarcane farmers. First, what is subsidy? Subsidy is a financial help from government to reduce the cost of production or to reduce the price of consumption. To reduce the cost of production or to reduce the price of consumption. That is what subsidy is. Clear? So subsidy given by the Indian government will reduce the cost of producing sugarcane, making the price of sugarcane become lesser. Do you get it or not? When government gives subsidies, with government subsidized for sugarcane farmers, it makes the cost of production for sugarcane to reduce. As a result, the price of sugarcane would fall. Clear? As the price of sugarcane becomes lower, it brings about an increase in international competitiveness, which means export of sugarcane will increase, which may in turn improve the Indians' current account balance of payments. Do you get it? A lower price for sugarcane makes the price of sugarcane to be cheaper. It makes sugarcane to be the exportation of sugarcane to increase in India, bringing about an improvement in the balance of payment of India. Clear? Subsidies will also encourage more farmers to produce sugarcane. As a result, increasing the supply of sugarcane. The GDP of India will also increase. Is it clear? That is about H. So that's all about question 1. Any question about it? No. Okay, done. We'll go to question 2 now.
Recording stopped.